Hello everyone. This is the channel called Nature Voice by YouTube channel. What we come to presenting you today from the nature, from the birds, is called wings, 7 colors. Gouldain Finch. This kind of finch, they have wonderful colors, and they come from north of Australia. This kind of bird, they are very beautiful, and people like to call them love gems. Today, the noise from the baby's finch about 1 week. They need food from the parents, and you will hear some noise of the heartbeat from the bird. Don't forget to follow and click subscribe, then you not miss the chance to contact us. Thank you.